Good afternoon, student. Please all stand up. And Mr. Alvarez, can you please lead the prayer? And before you taking your seat, please pick all the papers on the floor and throw it to the trash can. There is an absent for today. Okay, very good. Last time we tackled about sequence. And Mr. De Guzman, can you please give the meaning of sequence? Very good. Sequence is a function whose domain is the infinite set or finite set. And now I'm going to discuss the arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. What is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. The sequences 1, 4, 7, 10, and 15, 11, 7, and 3 are examples of arithmetic sequences. Since each one has a common difference of 3 and negative 4, to find any term in an arithmetic sequence by using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. And now I have here an example of arithmetic sequence. Example number 1. What is the term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 12, 19, and 26? Which is a sub 1 is equals to 5. The common difference or d is equal to 7. And a sub n or is equals to is 10. So our formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now substitute all the given values, which is a sub 10 equals to 5 plus 10 minus 1 times 7 equals 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 7 equals 5 plus 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 5 is 68. And this is our a sub 10. Another example of arithmetic sequence is 3, 12, and 21. Now find the missing terms of this arithmetic sequence. First, find the common difference. 3 and 12, the difference is 9. 12 and 21, the difference is 9. So, then 21 plus 9 is 30. And 30 plus 9, 39. 39 plus 9 is 48. And this is the missing term. And now what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called common ratio. The common ratio, or R, can be determined by dividing any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. The formula of geometric sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. And here the example for geometric sequence. Example of geometric sequence is, what is the seventh term of the geometric sequence 3, 12, 48? And now write the given value. Our a sub 1 is 3, and our common ratio is 4, because 3 times 4 is 12, which is the a sub 2. And our n is equals to 7. And now write the formula of geometric sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Now, gonna substitute all the given value, which is a sub 7 equals 3 times 4 raised to 7 minus 1. And now, 3 times 4, 7 minus 1 is 6, and equals 3. 4 raised to 6 is 4,096. So, 4,096. 4,096 times 3 is 12,288. 12,288. So this is our seventh term of 3, 12, 48 in geometric sequence. And the second example of geometric sequence is, find the missing terms in find the missing term in 30, 60, and the third term and fourth term. When we divide it, so 60 times 2 is 120, and 120 times 2 is 240. So this is our third term and fourth term of geometric sequence. Now, I have a question. Mr. Guzman, what formula used in an arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence? Very good. In arithmetic sequence, the formula used is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. And in geometric sequence, the formula used is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. And what about the difference between arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence, Ms. Castro? Good. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. While the geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called common ratio. So now I have another given for arithmetic and geometric sequence. So our another given, solve for the nth term of each arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. The number 1 is, what is the 10th term of 1, -1, -3, -5, -7? Second is, what is the next term of 50, 45, 40, and 35? Number 3, what is the 11th term of 369? Number 4, find the 8th term of 5, negative 20, 80, negative 320. Number 5, what is the next term of 0.7, 0.40, and 0.028? And here are the solutions for the another given problem. And the solution for number 1 is a sub 1 is 1. The common difference is negative 2 and the and is 10. Our formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. A sub 10 equals 1 plus 10 minus 1 times negative 2 equals 1 plus the quantity of 9 times negative 2 equals 1 minus 18. So a sub 10 is negative 17. Number 2, the next term of 50, 45, 40, 35 is 30. So number 3 is a sub 1 equals to 3. Our d is equal to 3 and n is equal to 11. Our formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So substitute all the given values. A sub 11 equals 3 plus the quantity of 11 minus 1 times 3. And then 3, the quantity of 10 times 3 equals 3 plus 30 is 33. So this is our A sub 11. Number 4, which is geometric sequence. A sub 1 equals 5. Our common ratio is equal to negative 4 and our n is 8. The formula is a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So to substitute all the given values is a sub 8 equals 5 times negative 4 raised to 8 minus 1. Then 5 times the quantity of negative 4 raised to 7. Bring down 5 and negative 4 raised to 7 is negative 16,384. So our a sub 8 equals to negative 81,920. And for the last given is the next term of 0.7, 0.14, 0.08 is 0.056. So now get one whole sheet of paper for the sheet work. So I will give you 15 minutes to answer this arithmetic and geometric sequence. So time's up. Exchange your paper. For the part 1, identify the sequence if arithmetic or geometric sequence. Number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is arithmetic sequence. So number 1 is arithmetic. Number 2 is geometric. Number 3 is arithmetic. Number 4, arithmetic. Number 5, geometric. Number 6, arithmetic. Number 7, geometric. Number 8, arithmetic. Number 9, geometric. And number 10, arithmetic. So now, the part 2 is find the missing term in each arithmetic sequence. 5, 12, 19. The common difference is 7. So 19 plus 7 is equal to 26. And 26 plus 7 is 33. And 33 plus 7 is 40. So part 17 and 14, 3. So 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 3 is 2. And number 3, 8 and 3, the difference is 5. So negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Minus 5 is negative 12. And minus 5 is negative 17. So number 4, we have here the 4 blank blank and 1924. Difference is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. And 19 plus 5, 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So number 5, 2 blank 20, 29. Blank and blank. 20 and 29, the difference is 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. And 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. And 29 plus 9 is 38. And 38 plus 9 is 47. And find the missing term in each geometric sequence. Number 1, 6 and 24, the common ratio is 4, so it's 96. And then 384 times 4 is 1,536. Then number 2, 1 blank. Number 2, 11 blank, 99, and 297. The common ratio is 3. So 11 times 3 is 33. And 297 times 3 is 891. Then number 3, the given is 252 and negative 1,512. The common ratio is negative 6. So 252 divided by negative 6 is negative 42. Negative 42 divided by negative 6 is 7. So, number 4, 400, the common ratio is 0. So, 0 times 0 is 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. Number 5, the given is 9. 9, blank, blank, and 9. So, the common ratio is 1. So, 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 1, 9. And for the assignment, find the following. Number 1, what is the harmonic sequence? Number 2, what is Fibonacci sequence? And that's all for today. Goodbye, class.